Hey guys, here today looking at this really cool hairdryer. It's kind of one of the new hair dryers, and it's one more for use in like a salon or at home. But I will show you how it works. So it has this really beautiful finish on it, which means it's got a strong grip, so you're not going to drop it. You also have two different nozzles here which go on the front, and actually without those nozzles on it, it actually has a more condensed and smaller neck here. And actually this is a new ionic system kind of hairdryer. So actually it blows ions out, and the ion system actually reduces frizz in your hair. So when you blow dry it, it's not going to be frizzy, it's actually going to be really smooth. So it's great if you have frizzy hair naturally, or curly hair naturally, or you do just have like bleached hair like me, which can go a bit frizzy with using a hairdryer. And you can add these two different sizes here for different styles of drying. They're great for straightening. So if you're going to straighten your hair, the ion technology actually helps to straighten properly without the use of having to use hair straighteners afterwards. And on here you have 3 different heat settings and 2 different power settings plus off, and here you can have cold air come out. So it's absolutely an incredible hairdryer with incredible power, and it's of salon quality, but you can have it at home too. So I really hope you can enjoy using this product.